The Kourice Food Warming Mat quickly brings serving dishes up to temperature and keeps them consistently warm across the entire surface, avoiding the cold spots common with older warming trays. Its three-level heat control lets you choose anything from gentle warmth to piping hot, so it works just as well for brunch buffets as it does for family-style dinners or party spreads. The flexible silicone build feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the nano-coated top layer shrugs off splashes and oil, so cleanup is usually just a quick wipe with a cloth. Raised non-slip feet keep the mat stable while also lifting it off the table, which helps protect delicate surfaces from heat and makes it feel safer to use around guests and kids. I appreciate that it rolls up neatly when not in use, since that makes it much easier to store in a drawer or cabinet and to bring along for potlucks or holiday gatherings. Beyond keeping food warm, it handles a surprising range of tasks like gently defrosting items or proofing dough, which makes it a genuinely versatile tool for frequent home cooks.